Oh, my people, so I'm going to the supermarket today and guess what I find? Sahai all natural jerk season. My name depend it, so I say me a buy it and me I go try it. Yes, people. So I buy some pot roast beef. See the beef they down in the lime water soak for 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna season it up now. I'm gonna stab it up and I say yeah. I'm gonna try the season. Wow, the texture of the season is so nice and the scent of it, boy, it smell good, man. Not lie, it smell good already. Alright, but me try it now. So I'm gonna rub it on for my beef. I'm gonna rub it in and I'm gonna stuck it in the hole and make everything going. Cause I want really get the nicest out of it. I'm gonna tell the people, yeah, the texture is so pretty. Cook girl beef. Cook girl beef, nice and clean and pretty. Yeah, you. Anyway, but rub it in the seasoning night. I'm rub it in. I'm let nobody talk about the piece of fat, you know. But the piece of fat of it help pot roast the beef and make it have this nice taste. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, so I'm rub it in. I'm rub it in. I'm rub it in. Everything gone in. I'm now use none so high all natural jerk seasoning. Yeah, good girl. Alright, so but see the beef there, the beef done. What? I said the center it's so nice. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to taste it. So anyway, I'm gonna cut it up now and make it. I'm gonna see how inside it stay. Yeah, you beef done roast, beef cut up, beef look good, beef smell good, beef taste good. Lord God, the seasoning nice. My man must love me more. Anyway, I have look, you know, market now go on good, some just get when they can get. So anyway, vegetable not so hot. Rice and